Hello.
All right.
All right, court is calling 2020 CR 2127 State of Texas versus Gabriel Maurice Gobert. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state
Hank Wilkins for the state, Your Honor.
defense?
Carolyn Wendler for the defendant, Your Honor.
And are you Gabriel Maurice Gobert?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to show you what's entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am. You didn't review that?
This is the one that we've had before. This one is here. This is the one that they've given, that we've seen the copies of. Handled with the,
Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, yeah.
All right, did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Gabriel Maurice Gobert who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2020 CR 2127 for the offense of robbery on December 15th, 2020 for a term of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, state?
Your Honor, I believe the defense was gonna ask for a contested date.
yeah, I am judge, but I also am, I have to highly consider if I need to do a competency. That is also like something that I am debating.
Okay, so this is what I don't understand, and I want you all to clear this up for the court. We were here in August for a contested on August 31st. Then you all asked for it to be removed to September 14th. And then we are here, we were supposed to be here on October 19th, then October 26th, and now we're here on November 6th.
I can,
Explain this to me.
I can speak to it probably a little better, Judge, because I've been here for all the settings. Initially, I think we thought we were gonna have an agreement. And then we have not come to that agreement. The last setting that this was set, the state actually had thought they were gonna supplement the MTR. I think that was the last setting. That's why the court reset it for now. Part of the long reset had to do with, I had surgery and then we came back and I think we had approached and we thought we were all gonna be, have a good plan. But we still don't have a good plan in place.
All right, so here's the plan.
That's where we are.
This is being set for a contested hearing. Do not get into any plea bargain agreements because this is gonna be a contested hearing. That's the plan. Ms. Ferguson, give me a date for a contested hearing.
We can come back on the 16th of November. Is that enough time?
Well, Judge, the only thing is, as the court, when the court asked my client, has he seen this? Does he understand? I struggle and I'm not sure that Mr. Gobert does understand. So I'm gonna talk to him a little bit about the possibility of having to get him comped. But
If you go and ask for competency, they will pick one fast in a hurry.
well, that may be what I need to do, Judge, just
All right,
to make
so-
sure that he understands what's going on. I
right,
think
so-
that is.
That needs to be done, and we're coming back on November 16th for a contested hearing. What time is Ferguson? All right, 9 AM. It's contested. It will be contested. It's not gonna be anything else but contested. And if you'll go down to Judge Carruthers and Ms. Ferguson, if you'll send Judge Carruthers an email and let him know to expedite this competency.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there anything else?
Nothing from the defense, Your Honor.
There will be no further resets in this case.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Judge.
Welcome. All right, Moses Ross. And this is family violence. Good morning.
Or good afternoon, Poppy. It's almost
Oh,
close, I think.
it is 11:44, so we're still morning. All right, have you all conferred?
We have, Judge.
All right, conferred with probation?
Did you speak with probation briefly, or where did you talk?
Okay, that's a no.
This is a motion to adjudicate,
Yes.
I believe. We didn't get that far as far as probation.
So, Your Honor, there's a new number one, and I believe counsel would like a contested MTR hearing in the future.
We're definitely contesting the new one.
Okay.
But, if we can resolve this today, happy to.
Well, have you all conferred?
With each other, Judge?
Yes.
Yes.
All right, and have y'all conferred with probation?
We have not.
No.
This is unexpected. No,
All right, so you all want to do that?
that would be
Be
fantastic.
here?
Yes. Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you. So, yes,
We have had a meeting of the minds, Your Honor.
all right,
And yeah, we spoke with probation. They're aware. And then, yes, we'd like to have a contested MTR hearing for a future date, Your Honor.
all right, so this is gonna be contested, so do not come back later and say we have an agreement, because if you all have a plea of true or whatever, then that needs to be done now. Otherwise, it's going to be contested.
Absolutely.
All right, Ms. Ferguson. I need a contested hearing on this, and we need to do it before the new year. All right, your contested hearing is November 30th.
Thank you, Judge.
That will be at 9 a.m. Once you sign the reset form. Do you have a question?
No, I'm just, no, I do, but,
All right, so let me explain something to you. So you're on probation.
yes, ma'am.
Probation is a contract. It's a contract with the court. It's not a contract with your attorney. It's not a contract with the state. It's a contract with the court. So in your motion, they've filed a motion to revoke, alleging that you have either committed a new offense or there's something that you have not done in your probation. So they're saying that there's no agreement, proposed agreement, because again, I don't have to follow any agreement that you all come up with. So contested hearing means that we're going to come in on November 30th. On November 30th, I'm going to read the motion to revoke. You're going to answer whether that's you or not, whether or not you were placed on a probation at that time. Then the state is going to read the allegations in the motion. Once they read the allegation in the motion, you're going to let the court know whether that allegation that they're reading is true or not true. Say, for example, if the allegation was in the motion that you didn't report. Once they read that, you'll say, it's true, I didn't report, or either it's not true. That's it. Then the state will have to, if you plead not true, the state will have to bring in witnesses to prove those cases. So motions to revoke, when they're contested, they're sort of like mini trials, because you're not contesting the fact that you're on probation. For example, you're not saying, oh, I want to go back and fight the fact that I'm on probation for an unauthorized use. You're just fighting the allegations in the motion that they're saying you did not complete or do. You understand?
Do I still have a chance to do that, I guess, so say?
Do what?
Never mind, I'll ask him.
Do you mean like plead true or not true?
No, wants to know between now and the 30th, other than the new number one, does he have a chance to complete or correct what was alleged? Like not signing up for BIT. Can he
Right.
go sign up for BIT?
I mean, you can do
Not-
whatever you
It's just-
want to do.
I know that I saw that on there, but me and him talked. I think I want to explain myself, and I think that's for the next time. So I don't want to say anything, but yeah. So
Okay. All right. So you'll come back on November 30th at 9 a.m. and that's when we'll have a contested hearing.
Yeah.
And if there's a new number one in the motion to revoke, they will bring those witnesses to potentially prove that up. Do you understand?
yes, ma'am.
All right. We'll see you then. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Have a
Thank you,
good day.
Judge.
You're welcome. Thank you.
We'll see you then.
Because I'm not really.
Hello?
I can hear you again.
Okay.
Yeah, we were talking about the excuse me.
I understand. They're supposed to be getting you evaluated, Mr. Smith. If they haven't evaluated you yet, there's nothing I can really do.
Yeah, no, that's fine. Then leave me here because taking blood to take from someone is uncool, and I'm done giving. I never wanted to give blood.
Okay.
I need my blood. It's like oil in a car. I don't work well when they keep taking my blood.
Okay. Well, let's hopefully they won't do that anymore.
Yeah. Like tell them, you know, chill out a little bit with the psychiatry. I know they like to make money, but I don't want to support the drug companies to bring me down in life. I'd rather just sit where I'm at, sleep well, eat well, and let my health take care of itself.
Very well. Okay, we'll see what the judge says. Okay.
I've asked, you know, they do know I want to shave, but I'm not persisting on anything. You know, I'm trying to be as good as I can, but
Yeah, well, that's what I want you to keep doing. Don't cause any problems.
I was on the train. It was hectic for a while because I actually thought my girlfriend was in the threat of being raped. Because I did go to the border a long time ago. I was very concerned, but I'm 99.9% sure she's okay. So that was a big concern to me. So sleep
Understood.
right now, I haven't been working. I don't have a paycheck. I do have a disability claim, a claim that they allowed me about 6 or 8 months ago, somewhere around there. And that's my income, but I can't slide my card for my cash if I don't have one.
Yeah, now you get paid, you get a check every month from disability?
Excuse me?
You get a check every month from disability?
Yes, it's been about 6 months. It's about $1,900 a month, so I can survive on
All right,
that.
Mr. Smith, okay.
Mr. Smith, hold on, counsel, you and your client are not in a breakout room, so I just wanted to make sure that you're aware of that.
Your Honor, we've done, Your Honor, we're ready.
So yes, I could survive on a disability claim. They allow me 30 credits.
Don't worry about that, Mr. Smith. Don't worry about that right now.
Okay, hold on, please, hold on, okay. Let's go on the record in the matter of the state of Michigan versus Kevin Smith, 231353. Next, I'm gonna, Mr. Shaj, I'm gonna have you put your appearance on the record for a quick moment, Mr. Smith. So if you can,
Good morning, Your Honor. Omar Shahjar on behalf of the people, PH 6332.
thank you, and Mr. Taylor, your appearance, please.
Good morning again, Your Honor. Edward Taylor, P57166, appearing on behalf of Mr. Smith.
This is
All
the
right.
27th district, correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir, and your
Okay,
name, please, for the
that's
record.
good.
Your name, Mr. Smith. State your
Excuse
name,
me?
please. State your name, please.
Oh, Kevin Francis Smith.
Okay, thank you. So today was the date scheduled for a review because Mr. Smith was ordered to be referred for competency evaluation and criminal responsibility. What I'm going to state is that he's only going to be sent over for, the court's going to rescind its order regarding criminal responsibility evaluation as the first step is competency examination. And also pursuant to MCL 768.20A, the appropriate avenue for an assertion of criminal responsibility evaluation would be at the Third Circuit Court if Mr. Smith is deemed competent and bound over for trial. So
Your Honor,
the
may I
court's
say
going to
something?
do, okay, yes, Mr. Taylor.
Yeah, what did you say? I didn't hear you, Your Honor.
May I say something? One more thing.
Hold on, Mr. Smith, hold on.
I do
Mr.
make
Smith,
computers,
Mr. Smith,
Lenovo
Mr.
computers.
Smith, please hold on. Mr. Smith, just one moment, please. Just one moment. What was your question, Mr. Taylor?
It's my understanding he hadn't been evaluated yet.
So my biggest thing is I designed some computers, Lenovo, small letters are there's a little R, a little L, and a capital L. Through this computer, the capital can hear me. They see me and hear me. So I don't know why I just can't get a shade. I mean, I don't what their problem is at the capital. You know,
Right.
there's a lot of issues, but they get a shave every morning too.
Okay, counsel, I'm sorry, Mr. Smith, have you even been evaluated yet?
Evaluated, well, I'm fine. I don't know what the evaluation is for. I could use a shave though. I mean, if we put everything in the right perspective here, I could use a shave. And a haircut, I mean, I've asked for one, must have
Okay.
been,
All right, the court will note that this matter,
I mean, I'm representing myself looking like a
Hold on, sir.
lumberjack.
Mr.
Please,
Smith,
okay.
Mr. Smith. You
Yes,
gotta
go ahead.
listen, Mr. Smith. Listen, please.
I need you to not interrupt right now because we can't record more than one person, okay? The court's going to note that on September 28th, the review was held and, the defendant had not yet been evaluated by the Center for Forensic Psychiatry. We adjourned this matter to October 12th. October 12th, the report was not yet received and we're not even sure if he was evaluated. Mr. Smith, please stop interrupting. And then
Does someone have egg in their face? And someone do something wrong with the medication that they're just trying to do something that
Mr. Smith.
Okay, Counsel, I just muted your client so that he's not interrupting the court.
Mr.
The court will
Smith, you gotta be
Taylor,
quiet, Mr. Smith.
Mr. Taylor, I muted your client so that we don't have that problem right now. And so the court is going to note that I don't think that your client's been evaluated yet. So
No,
we will set this matter, we'll adjourn this to December 7th. That'll be a few more weeks.
Okay, very well. And I'll try to get my investigator and find out what's going on before he haven't got evaluated, Your Honor.
That'd be fantastic. Thank you.
Okay, December 7th.
And
at what
just so you
time?
know, 10 a.m. and counsel, I'm going to rescind the order regarding criminal responsibility.
Thank you. That's beautiful. December 7th at 10. I got it. Hey, Mr. Smith, I'll get by and see you, okay? Okay.
Okay, well, hold on. Counsel, I muted him, so I have to unmute him so he can respond to you.
Yes.
Yes, but of course.
All right,
Okay, bond and conditions are continued. We'll see you
All right,
back on
thank you,
December
Your Honor.
7th.
December 7th at 10 o'clock. I got it. Thank you.
December 7th at 10?
Yes, that's our next hearing.
That's perfect. I have all the time in the world.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Thanks.